How to fix Snapchat login error on Android. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix your Snapchat's login error on Android. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're facing login error for the Snapchat application on Android, there could be various reasons for this. The first is that make sure it's not the issue with the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If you're using Snapchat on Android like we are suggesting in this video, you want to long press on the Snapchat app on any Android device, then tap on this eye icon that says App Info. This setting will be found on any Android device, by the way. Now, when you're taken to the App Info page, you want to go to Storage and you want to clear the cache files as well as also clear the data. So when you clear the cache files and data, lastly, you want to open up your Play Store, search for Snapchat application and check if it has got an update available. And if it does, you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. Then you can open the Snapchat application here, and if you're still not being able to log in, then chances could be that you are entering an incorrect credential. So you want to make sure that your password, email, username and everything else is correct. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot your password to reset it via phone or via email. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.